people, let's look at this question here, which was taken from 2019 from the school TMJC Paper 1 question. Paper 1 question 1. So basically you're asked to use the algebraic method to solve for the inequality. In other words, you're not supposed to use GC algebraic method, right? Am I supposed to use algebraic? Right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna factorize it So I'm just gonna try and see whether this could be factorized. Remember, can't cross multiply because this bottom is not always positive. But if let's say this is an always positive number, then you can cross multiply. Okay, like x plus 1 square or so on, like x plus 1 square, the whole thing. Then you can, but in this case you can't. So what I'm gonna do is just bring the 1 over. And I'm going to see whether this could be factorized. So that would be a help if I could factorize that out. So here, put it out, minus 1, x plus 1, bigger equals to 1. Okay, so here we have check. This will be 4, minus 1, minus 1. Put it up. Oh! It's not, can't be factorized. Oh well, then you just have to slowly do it. So this will be 4x squared minus x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, this is 2x minus 1 and this is x plus 1. This is bigger than 0. So what we're gonna do is actually just gonna 2x squared plus 2x is x minus 1, and this would be 2x minus 1. So I'm just going to do this algebraically, hopefully get the answer. I think like this. So this would be 2x squared minus 2x. Oh, okay. That's it, man. Factorize it out. X 2x x minus 1 2x minus 1 x plus 1. This is a pretty okay question, I think. So this part, the roots, just same thing. Bring it up, throw it out. Remember, cannot equals to the bottom one. No, don't do that. Risk your career. Don't risk your A-level career for this. Remember, write that down, okay? Don't equal to the root from the denominator because there is undefined for the function there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write x0, and this is 1 half, and this is 1, and this is minus 1. Okay, test point method. I'm going to test a very, very big number, which is like x 100. So the whole thing will be positive. Check, this is positive. I'm not sure what method you're using, but if I prefer the test point. Okay, like you shouldn't try to draw the graph. I know some schools, some schools advocate like drawing. I think, with all due respect, it's not a kind of question which you should waste your time on, right? So this is plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, and remember what you do is just iron out the roots. I usually ask students to do this. You can't equal to minus 1, and you can equal to 0 and this. Okay, so you want it to be positive, so it should be this part here, which is actually positive, less than minus 1, between 0 to half, and 1 to be infinity. There you go. So hence x will be, oh crap, x will be less than minus 1, or x between 0 and half, and or x bigger equals to 1. Okay, that's the answer. Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, check. Any question, please ask. Any question else? So for the second part, same thing. Just anchor. Oh, it's not too bad, I think. Oh, okay. Well, this question is not too bad. So replacing, hence replace x with ex. That's about it. So I'm just going to replace it ex less than minus 1, or ex 0 between ex. half and or ex bigger than 1. Okay, so what you need to consider is basically reject this part here. Ex cannot be 0, so you have to like reject the lower limit, but I don't think it will affect later as ex is bigger than 0. So this will be hence this one is actually just bigger than 0. So you just ln both sides and you'll get answer lah. So ln both sides will be this will be x ln half or x bigger than ln 1, which is 0. Okay. Okay, so this is how you do this question here. If you have any questions or comment, please don't hesitate to text me via WhatsApp or ask me during class. But now we do not have any class anymore, so we have to be like, you know, over WhatsApp virtually. So yeah. Please.